Yo, what is going on, everybody? Shri Kanase here. So here are the top 9 products for your Shopify dropshipping store for the month of September in 2021. Now, this month is actually a very interesting month, and I'm talking about September specifically because naturally in every single year, regardless of what is going on in the world, September is the time period when a lot of window shopping for holiday season begins essentially. And that means a lot of people start searching for key terms like Christmas or Thanksgiving, Halloween, etc. during this time period. That makes it extremely important for you to know exactly what kind of products to be ranking for during the month of September and onwards, because this could literally make or break the amount of sales that you do during this time period. So in this video, I'm going to give you the top 9 products which are bound to start increasing this month and onwards, and they've shown this trend year over year. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because for all of these products, I go over what kind of advertising platforms to use, in addition to how to even advertise these in the first place, regardless of whether it's for Facebook or Google. But let's just get right into it. First thing you'll have to do in order to find any type of success with these 9 products, however, is to destroy that like button until it turns blue. I promise, not gonna take more than 2 quick seconds. Okay, hopefully you have destroyed the like button down below. But here is product number 1, and that is the electric fireplace insert. Now keep in mind, a lot of these products will be either for Facebook or Google. There are also some which are both for Facebook and Google, but since I'm mainly a Google Ads guy, and I even recently released a course on Google Ads itself, if you want more info on that, a link will be in the description below. It is called the Google Ads Mastery Course. Goes right into my own Shopify store, which did over $1 million, but more on that later. Here is the exact product, and again, it is the electric fireplace insert. If we go ahead and go on over to the eBay link, we can see exactly what this product is. So it is this product right here, a very simple product, electric fireplace insert. You can basically insert this right into your own fireplace if you have one, and it is designed to be electric, meaning these are not real flames. These are LED flames, but they produce the same kind of heat as real flames would. So very useful product, and one product which actually starts to trend upwards during this time period, as you guys see on the screen. Plus, benefit about this product is it is actually a high ticket product. You get to buy this for about $160, and there's a lot of different variations available for this product, which can easily let you sell it for about $300, $400, even up to $700, depending on the variation you choose. But I personally believe you should definitely give this specific variation a try, because this is on the lower end of these electric fireplace inserts. Still does the same function, still has a very cool and innovative design, and best part of all, there's a variety of different sellers on eBay which sell this product. So even though it doesn't say more than 10 available, which is what I always recommend that it says, there are still a lot of suppliers available, so it's not going to be an issue to supply this. A lot of these suppliers have very high feedback, which is another benefit. So exactly how much should you try selling this for? I personally believe if you go with this variation, which I have just shown to you guys, an ideal price would be anywhere between $200 to $290. So that leaves you with about $50 all the way up to $100 of profit, depending on, again, how you lay out your product page, how you choose the images, and so forth. If you're not sure how to do any of that, either get my Google Ads Mastery course, because this product is perfect for Google Ads, or watch my other free videos which I have on Google Ads and how to set up your product page. But for the keywords and what to rank, here are some of the keywords which can get you started on your research for this product. Number 1, fireplace insert. Number 2, electric fireplace insert. Number 3, LED fireplace. As you guys already saw, this has a very upward trend during this time period. Starts right at September. So right now when I'm recording this video, it's September 1st. You definitely want to give this product a go. Let's move on to product number 2, and it is another high ticket product. It is a wine cooler, another product more ideal for Google Ads compared to Facebook. Not that it can't sell on Facebook, however, you might have a little bit of trouble finding the ideal audience for the product like this, but on Google it's very simple, and we'll go over exactly why very shortly. But high ticket product, this variation right here sells for $300. You'll need to sell it for about $350, even $400 and above, depending on how you lay out, again, your product page. But this specific product right here, all it does is it stores all of the wine that you have. It can also store a lot of other drinks. The benefit about this is that it has these cool looking LED lights at the top, which can give it sort of a glow when it comes to ranking amongst your competitors. But Again, this specific product right here has different suppliers available on eBay. As you guys know, I don't really like sourcing from AliExpress anymore, and when it comes to electronics or heavy products like these, high ticket products, definitely not the way to go with AliExpress. You would rather be better off with eBay or Amazon. But this product, perfect for this time period. And if you guys see again on the screen, the trend is going upwards for a lot of keywords related to this product. The benefit about this product is there's a lot of different keywords available, which you can easily rank for if you do all of your keyword research correctly, if you set up your product page correctly, and make sure your pricing is very competitive. But selling price above 400 is ideal. Some of the keywords you can use to get started are wine cooler, number 2, wine fridge, wine refrigerator, and also wine chiller. All of these describe the same exact product, perfect keywords, and highly searched during this time period. So definitely worth the go, especially if you're looking for new high ticket products to add during this time period. Let's move on to the third product on the list. And again, another winter related product. These are the ice cleats. And even though there is no link provided right here, I've already pulled up which I would like you to give a try during this time period. And these are the following ice cleats. So the main reason why I chose these is because there's a lot of different variations of ice cleats available. However, these are the only ones which I personally found look a little bit more high quality, look genuine, and these are the kinds which people would not mind paying higher for, because these are on the higher end compared to the other ice cleats. Going back to the Google Doc, we can see that these can be sold for roughly $30 to $45, again, depending on which advertising platform you choose, and also how you lay out your images, products, descriptions, and so forth. For the ad platforms, Facebook ads as well as Google is ideal for these ice cleats. For Facebook, you want to target snow-related pages because you cannot really directly target ice cleats. That's not an interest available on Facebook. You can also target winter gear or winter accessories, all pages related to these two right here. Finally, you want to target outdoor winter activities. So maybe outdoor sports that people do during the winter time, outdoor traveling related pages during the winter time, and so forth. Anything winter related, you can have a good chance of selling this product, because if they're traveling during the winter, even pages like snow, for example, people would need these ice cleats in order to better walk around during the winter time period. So that is why this is perfect for Facebook ads. And in this case, I recommend using a video ad. Normally I would do image ad, but for ice cleats, it may be better off showing how these products are used and basically show a demonstration of these products, because with a simple image ad, it may not do the trick of selling this product, especially for this price range right here. So a video can definitely do the selling. But in addition to Facebook, you can sell this on Google. Here are some of the keywords which I recommend. Number 1, ice cleats. Number 2, shoe grip. Number 3, boot spikes. Very high demand during this time period, obviously because it's the winter time, more and more people would want this. But let's move on to our next product on the list. Product number 4 is the monocular. This product is a product which I suggest time and time again, simply because this is the time when this product basically takes off. And there are several reasons why. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the actual product and to see exactly what the product is. So it is this monocular right here, not too fancy, not too crazy. Simple monocular you can use, basically does the function of a binocular, but you look at it through one eye only, has various different magnification options available, and overall a very useful product during this time period for those who are in the outdoor niches. But if we look at exactly what the selling price should be for this monocular, we can see that it should be around $45 to $60, and we get this for around $25. So again, that will depend on which image you use, if you use Google, or what kind of ad you create if you use Facebook ads, because this product is ideal for both Facebook as well as Google. With Facebook, you want to do the following targeting. You want to target outdoor sports, so all outdoor sports which may require a binocular, a monocular, etc. Hunting pages, even because with hunting, people may need to use a monocular to see their prey from far away. And the second actual interest is monocular itself. So this is an interest that's available with over 1 million, about 2 million audience size, very useful interest. Finally, bird watching. A lot of bird watchers can use a monocular to better identify the bird they're looking at. So these 3 right here can definitely get you started with Facebook ads. And of course, a video ad is going to be enough for this, because an image ad may not be able to demonstrate this product and use as you would want it, and it would not kind of convince a customer to pay $45 to $60 for a product like this. So video ad definitely might be needed in this case. If you plan to use Google ads, on the other hand, you might want to just start your research with the following keywords. Number 1, monocular. Number 2, night vision monocular. Make sure this is actually night vision. If you plan to use another product variation instead of this one, make sure that is night vision before you actually use this as a keyword. Number 3, vision monocular. All these 3 are very ideal for a product like this and can do the trick very well. But an amazing product for this time period. Let's move on to now the next product on the list, and this is another outdoor hunting related product. It is the hunting blind. Now this product, you want to be a little bit cautious because it may not be allowed on certain advertising platforms if you decide to use them. But it is this product right here, a hunting blind. Very useful product during this time period. It is basically a blind that you can set up, which gets camouflaged out in the wild, and you can basically sit inside it and wait for prey to come to you. Because of this overall design, it camouflages easily out in the wild, and you will be able to increase the amount of prey that you catch or hunt because of this product. So very useful, more on the high ticket end. As you guys can see, it's available for sale for $97. If we look at where we should sell this, it is perfect for Google ads, because with Facebook ads there might be certain policies which they don't let you sell a product like this. However, you want to double check to make sure that you can actually advertise this on Facebook before doing so, because this can actually be an amazing product to advertise on Facebook as well. But for the majority, we're just going to stick to Google ads. For Google, you want to do your research, use the following keywords: hunting blind, ground blind, deer blind. All of these three are enough to get you started. There's a lot of keyword search volume for this product, so you'll never run out of keywords to rank for or to research with these three. But amazing product, high ticket product. Number 6 product that we have on the list is weighted plate carrier. I've recommended similar products to the weighted plate carrier several times, but time and time again during this time period, I come back to one of these variations simply because it's such an amazing product. If you look at this, it is this tactical plate carrier right here. You can store a lot of different weight within this, make it heavier, so you can not only use this as a tactical vest itself, but also exercise with it, lose a lot of weight with this, because you can add weight and run around while wearing this vest. So amazing product. More on the mid-ticket side right here, as you guys can see, about $30 on eBay. You can easily sell this for $40, $50, even up to $60, depending on how you lay out your advertising and so forth. But for the advertising platforms themselves, Facebook and Google both ideal for this. For Facebook, you want to stick more towards the fitness side of this product rather than the tactical or combat side, because then it becomes product which can cross certain policies Facebook has in place. So stick more on the fitness side, on the gym side, so fitness pages, weight/strength training, interest directly, CrossFit even, and so forth. So anything related to that, just make sure to use those. And then for the ad itself, you can get away with using an image ad, because this image ad clearly showcases what this product is. You don't really have to do a lot of explanation. However, if you want to take the extra step, by all means go ahead with the video ad, but in my opinion, an image ad should be enough. If you decide to use Google Ads, on the other hand, here are the 3 keywords which you want to start your research with. Number 1, plate carrier. Number 2, plate carrier vest. Finally, tactical plate carrier. All of these are perfect for Google Ads. It will help you find a lot of more keywords related to this product. But amazing product to start selling in September. Let's move on to the next product on the list, and this is a ballet bar. This product right here is related to the ballet niche, so you will have a lot of female audience or just male parents buying for their daughters and so forth. But amazing product for this time period, because the trend usually takes off, as you guys see on the screen already. But it is this product right here, a simple ballet bar, about mid-ticket to high-ticket product. You can get this for $60 approximately on eBay. And I don't recommend sourcing this from anywhere else besides eBay or Amazon even. But very simple product, just helps ballet dancers do their training and exercises. And this product isn't too heavy, too big. It is fully portable. So that makes this an amazing product for this time period. For the advertising platforms, I believe Facebook as well as Google should do the trick. For Facebook, you want to just start off with simple interests like ballet or ballet dancer, or there's an interest which says bar and then in parentheses it says ballet. So these 3 are perfect for Facebook ads, directly to the point and very similar to the product itself, which is exactly what you want. In my opinion, for this product, image or video ad should be enough, and I would personally even do an image ad, because people who are related to these interests right here already know what a ballet bar should be doing. So it doesn't really make sense to show them another demonstration when they already know what this product should be doing. That's the main reason why they even would consider buying it from you. So that's why image would be enough. But if you want to take the extra step, of course, go with the video ad. In addition to Facebook ads, you can also sell this on Google. Here are some of the main interests you want to look at. So first one, ballet bar. Second one, portable ballet bar. Freestanding bar is the third one. These are all potential keywords which can help you find even more good keywords related to this product. So definitely worth a try for the month of September. But let's go on to our next product on the list. Second to last product, winter related. It is the boot dryer. Very simple product, very straightforward, nothing too crazy about this product, but it does serve a function, especially for those who live more on the side of the planet where there's a lot of rain during the winter time, during September, October, November, December. So for instance, on the East Coast of the United States. So it is this product right here, a mid-ticket product. Basically, it dries up your boots in case you went outside and they got wet somewhere outside and so forth. So this boot dryer, you simply put on your boots onto this dryer and it starts to dry it up very fast and with ease. So very useful product during this time period. It sells time and time again, so that's why you want to definitely give this a go. I personally believe this is better for Google ads. However, with Facebook, you can give it a try. You'll just have to keep your interests very broad because a lot of people can find use with this product, even those people who may not even have any kind of interest related to the keyword boot dryer. So that's why, since it's such a general product, you might be better off just sticking to Google ads. But of course, give it a go on Facebook if you feel that it can sell with certain interests that you found. For Google, here are the main interests you want to look at: boot dryer, boot warmer, finally shoe dryer. These three can give you enough keywords to then list this product on your store and do proper SEO techniques. Again, if you're not sure about any type of SEO techniques, if you're not even sure what I'm talking about, look at my other free videos which go over this, or get my Google Ads Mastery course. The link will be in the description below. Goes very in-depth into SEO and all sorts of stuff related to that. But an amazing product for month of September. Let's move on to our final product on the list, and this is the Aqua Bag. This product is more for those people in the fitness niche. I personally am recommending this product right now because during winter time, a lot of people stop going to the gym because it is so cold. They would rather exercise at home. So this comes very handy during that time period. All it is an aqua bag, which you can basically inflate or fill up with water. And once it's filled up with water, you can use this to basically exercise, do a lot of variety of different exercises. So very useful product. You can sell this for around $70 up to $90, depending on where you sell this and how you sell it. I personally believe this should more go towards Facebook ads because there's not enough search volume on Google for this aqua bag. For Facebook, you want to target fitness related pages like I love fitness, I love going to the gym, and so forth. You want to target actual gyms. So for instance, one interest is Gold's Gym. That's an actual gym. You can target that directly for this product. Finally, famous gym celebrities. Obviously, people who follow these gym celebrities might be going to the gym as well, so they can find use of this product during this time period. You want to use an image ad or a video ad because most gym goers know what an aqua bag is. If you want to show this in action, however, a video ad will do the trick. But these are my top 9 products for the month of September. It's important if you're watching this video right now to start selling them right away for maximum results. But as I already mentioned earlier, I do currently have a Google Ads course called the Google Ads Mastery course, which goes in depth into my main Shopify general store, which has done about $2 million since the beginning of 2020. And has all of the strategies which I use right now to continuously sell product like these on my store via Google Ads. I'll leave the link in the description below. But if you found any type of value in this video, destroy that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.